Let me see, Emma.
Don't smile. You might drop it.
You better tuck it back in there. That's so disgusting. I think she's gonna make herself throw up.
Oh, don't do that. You'll have to eat it again. Chew it. Swallow it.
It's everywhere.
You're making Josie sick over there. She's like, you're disgusting. Oh my God, this is too funny. Jeremy.
You have to send this to Nanny or Grandma or somebody.
Damn it. Chew it.
No cookie if you don't
Oh my
chew it.
gracious.
You gotta swallow it if you want a cookie.
Chew
Chew it, chew it. Emma, look at the camera if you want a
it.
cookie.
Eat it.
You don't get a cookie unless you look at the camera.
Your turn, Ashton.
Ashton's stomach hurts. He's hungry.
But he
Oh,
won't
no
eat.
cookie. You're not looking at the camera.
Look at that, Daddy. We're down to a normal chew. Holy cow, she did it. Now smile, Emma.